Hey, what's up, y'all? Back with another video. Riding the 420. We're about to go to the mud hole over here beside the field because it ought to have a little bit of mud in it now. I don't know, I hope it does. But we're gonna go see if it does. So yeah, let's do it. I still ain't worked on this snorkel mount. My dad ain't home and I don't have his tools at his work truck to do it. I might have some zip ties in the house. They're sitting around, but I don't know. I ain't really looked. I really just got home from school when I had to go help my mom. When I help her, I had to go sit in the grocery store while my mom grocery shops because I can't drive. My birthday's in like a month and 11 days, I believe, from here. So yeah, I turned 15 and I'm getting my learners the day of, so I can get my license the day after next year. But I'll have my learners soon. That was basically the point of announcing it. So y'all wish me luck on the little test. If I fail, I'm gonna be heated. And there's a little bit of mud. It looks dried up. Oh, never mind. That's more than a little bit. Oh, it might be stuck. This stuff's bad. And I don't have a winch. Oh, God. Alright, I gotta make something work here. That's the real test for the Aztecs right there. They pass for sure. Because God, lead that stuff is thick. Just look at it. You won't be able to turn them 32s without a gear reduction. I know y'all just saw that. That was without a gear reduction. Or any motor work at all. Stock air filter, stock exhaust. You can spin Aztec 32s. I wouldn't say great, but you can definitely do it. Alright, at least. And that was in some decently thick mud. I'm sure in some that clay we have around here, it wouldn't be the same. Alright, I can't get stuck this time. They clean out great. Oh, we're low on gas. Probably should go refill that. I might go put gas in this thing and then I'll start recording again. I had a feeling I was going to be low on gas today. I just knew it was coming. But that mud right there is pretty bad, I would say. And the Aztecs pulled great in that. I probably could have crawled through it, but I just wanted to spin the tires. I ain't even gonna lie. I really just want to test to see what the stock motor could do with them. It held up pretty well. This is probably the lightest 32 option because I don't think they make Mudzillas or nothing like that in 32. Look at all the mud flying. Give me a second. I'll put gas in here and I'll pick y'all back up. Alright, y'all. This thing is absolutely filled up and ready to go. We're about to head to the creek, I reckon. I feel like it wouldn't be much of a BrodyTrump video. Well, at least riding around the house without heading to the creek. So that's where we're headed. This thing is completely full. I mean, to the top. So hopefully I won't have to put gas in it for a while. I say that and I probably have to Friday. I already know what I'm titling this video. Stock Honda Rancher 420. Turn to 32s like it's nothing. I'm just gonna put stops on the Rancher 420, turning 32s in mud. I just got mud in my hair. Look, like almost on like the short little pieces on the side. Oh. That's my cousin. I think they were just at the pool or something. Alright, let's head back in here. Hopefully there ain't no snakes here today. I gotta pressure wash this thing after the video, which I'm not really looking forward to. And wash this thing. I'm probably gonna do a pretty good clean. Just because it's been needing washing for a while. Put it in first. This mud's not even that thick, but still, I just want to put it in first in case. And to dig it out better. And the creek's already about it, just as low as it was a minute ago, like before the rain. If we want water to remain here, it's got to cool down or something. Now look how thick all this mud is. Well, it ain't thick, it's just muddy now. The bottom is about to be soft. Oh, is that a turtle? It is in fact a little alligator turtle, I believe. Alligator, one of them little alligator snapping turtles. So now that might be a normal one. Whatever he is, you better watch out. I know this bottom is probably about to be soft. I could have pulled it into a wheelie, but I didn't want to. The bottom definitely is soft. My fault if that rubber duck's in y'all's face. I'm about to pull a wheelie, I think. I'm gonna try at least. Never mind. Oh, I just didn't want to get poked in the eye. We didn't pull a wheelie. It just spun the tires too much. Alright, hopefully there ain't a snake over here. So this is where I see the most snakes. So when it's dry, they're always right there at the water. If it is a snake, let's just hope it's one of them little orange belly ones that ain't poisonous. If it's a moccasin, I'm ditching the four-wheeler. I'm just playing. This bottom's about to be muddy too. Probably should have thrown my phone out in case we have to go to the side. It's not a terrible idea. Where do I want to put the phone? We're going to gently set it down today. I hope it's still deep enough to at least rinse off a little bit, but it's probably just going to be muddy, so it ain't going to help. Yeah, I can already see mud coming off the bottom. Oh, it's still at the exhaust. Yeah, it's definitely muddy. I can feel the tires spinning. That ain't gonna stop me from wheeling it though. Alright, let me grab the phone. Watch out for all the snakes that could be up there. Ooh. This thing will wheelie alright with these tires. And that wasn't even full throttle like to make the tires spin hard or nothing. I was just barely on it and pulled up. I'm gonna try and pull one off a hill like that one day and see how far I can ride it. And probably in the yard. But my dad gets mad when I do that because it gets his grass dirty. Not dirty, it messes up the grass like the tires do. I'm still in school clothes, bro. I just wanted to ride so bad. School went by so short today, like not short, like fast. I mean, it took forever. Last week was a short week in my opinion. This week's been kind of long. But I say that and it's only Monday. That definitely ain't a good sign for the week. Might as well hit the motor. I was sitting here thinking about it and looking at it. Ow, something just bit me. Ow, an ant. Get off of me. Alright, let's see what down here is looking like. And it looks about the same. Yeah, it still ain't that thick. Recommend Aztex so far. Probably my favorite tire. I love the Outlaw 3s. I don't know what I like more, but these so far have just performed better. But obviously the 32s compared to 28s. The 28s probably would have bottomed out over here and got stuck. The 32s did. That's why I like them. Because we were close to bottom. We weren't close, but it was definitely coming. I spun the tires too much. Stock tires, then it's had a chance of that. Well, y'all, peace out. I'm finna watch this thing. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and sub. Peace.